Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that you generally don't see around very much anymore, but it's out there and you can get it. And that's burlap bags. Now, a lot of the stuff you see it in burlap bags, they're now putting in these plastic woven PVC bags for your grains and stuff like that. Well, you can still get a lot of stuff in burlap bags. You just got to know where to look for it. Also, you can order burlap bags online. One of the big things they use burlap bags for around here, making sandbags for flooding and stuff. But burlap bags have a lot of uses, a lot more than you think, and they're great. They're airy. They allow moisture to wick out easily, unlike the plastic feed grain bags you get nowadays. It kind of, even though that air can pass through it, it doesn't flow through it as easily as it does a burlap bag. And there's something just about a burlap bag and getting a bunch of kids together and hopping in there and having a potato sack race. I mean, it's fun. That's hey, it's part of Americana. So check into all the different things that you think you use burlap bags for. Get yourself some burlap bags, add it to your preps. All right? And remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medications, skills, and of course, burlap bags. You always use them for gathering and foraging. All right? And wait, why do you want to do that stuff? Well, this is why you want to do that stuff.